what we got here is a Mini Cooper Clubman 2014, and what we've done is we fully retrofitted in a brand new stereo screen in the original location. So this is what it used to be, and this is what it is now. So you get a full stereo, also with doors as well. So as you can see, it tells you if the doors are open. Full touchscreen. Also got CarPlay and Android Auto built into it, so fully wireless as well, so no wires needed. You can use all your favorite apps right on the screen. Also has full LED lighting on it as well. Also comes with the CD player and quick access buttons. If you want this retrofitted on your Mini Cooper, see the link down below. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.